Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing strawberry cheesecake stuffed French toast. I had to say it real slow so I could get it out, but let's get into it. These are my ingredients right here. I have strawberry, eggs, sugar, butter, cream cheese, cinnamon, vanilla, my milk, and my bread. You can use the milk you prefer. All I had in the fridge today was coconut milk, so I'm using it. So of course I'm going to wash up my strawberries. I have 6 big beautiful strawberries here that I got from the grocery store. So yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to work on the filling, which is cream cheese, strawberry, sugar, and vanilla. You guys, this past week was such a struggle, and I'm just now getting the chance to even edit my videos and get my content out. So thank you guys for being patient with me, as well as thanks for checking on me. I got a faithful few that's always inboxing me like, hey girl, you all right? We haven't seen you in 5 days. And I appreciate it. I do. I do. But, you know, sometimes I have a lot going on and it is what it is. You know, I can't control it. My life is not perfect, you know. So I try to show up regardless of anything and still show out for you guys. So you want to mix that up, get it nice and good. Now we're going to mix the custard, which is the eggs, the milk, the cinnamon, the vanilla. I'm choosing to not add sugar here because I don't want it to be too sweet. Alright, so now you're just going to take your filling and slather it all over the bread, like thick, like lay it on there. Because once it starts to cook, it's going to ooze out a little bit, and then of course the cream cheese is going to heat up and you want it to really pack in there. So now I'm just going to dip my bread right down into the mixture, the milk and egg mixture. You're going to leave it like 5 seconds, maybe 5 seconds on each side. But that's only because I use French bread. Now, if you're using regular table bread, don't even leave it in there. Just dip real quick. You guys know the thinner the bread or the more soft the bread, then the less time you put it down into your custard, because then it's going to ruin it. So I left it in there for 5 seconds per side. So next I added it to a heated skillet with some melted butter, and I cooked it for 5 minutes on each side on low heat. Now the first side I did cover it, but the second side I uncovered it, and it was nice and crispy. And look how beautiful this looks. Like I can't. And honestly, you guys, this was the best French toast I've ever had in my entire life, and this will be in rotation, especially when the holiday season kick up. Not now, y'all, because you know you can't be eating this all the time. Don't be making this every day and eating it, y'all. We gotta do things in moderation. But the holiday season, this is definitely going in rotation. It's so delicious. So to make it pretty, I'm gonna add some blueberries, some strawberries, and just make it cute. So now I'm just going to drizzle on my syrup. You can use maple syrup, agave, pancake syrup, whatever you want. And y'all, oh my God, please, can one of y'all make this? Please make this recipe and come back and let the people know how good it is. I didn't have powdered sugar, so I didn't use it. But if you want powdered sugar, go ahead and, you know, use it. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so make sure you check that out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, y'all.